swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council, support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God. I, Opiyo, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and lay true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.